Of all the controversial claims about green tea's health benefits, the one that draws the most skepticism is the claim that it could be a cure for cancer. While it's almost never a cure, however, many studies appear to point out that lifelong tea drinking does actually reduce the danger of cancer in later life. The biggest piece of evidence in support of this theory is understood because the Asian paradox. The Asian paradox, consistent with researchers at Yale, is that Asia has very high levels of cigarette smoking, yet lower cancer rates than Europe or America. The researchers believe that the difference between the places lies within the Asians' consumption of huge amounts of tea, over a liter each day on average. Other studies have supported this view, one study comparing elderly Japanese people that drank tea with ones who didn't found that the tea drinkers attended live a few years longer. Studies at Murcia University in Spain found that a chemical in tea called is extremely almost like the antineoplastic methotrexate, therein it appears to kill cancer cells in the same way. This is a number of the foremost encouraging research yet, as methotrexate may be a drug with many unpleasant side effects, and replacing it with tea could work all right. However, the unfortunate counterpoint to all or any this is often that very large quantities of tea have actually been found to cause cancer in lab rats, suggesting that an excessive amount of green tea are often worse for you than none in the least, perhaps an identical effect to the one wine has. The state of the research overall is inconclusive, as few drug companies have an interest in funding studies into something that's seen as medicine. The testing is left to interested but underfunded universities. Hopefully, over subsequent few decades, there will be more interest in investigating the health benefits of tea, and that we will finally get our answer.